slipper so she slide up. I make her push it inside up. Hey, what a girl can ride up.
In a real life still Kartel, if you come down off a TikTok, you know. TikTok enough for you in a Kartel. And if you come down, you're my boss, you must stay in your lane and work on your craft. No, because your job
pussy. Hood inna your throat or hood inna your gut. Yeah, me love your pussy, what a pretty little cut. Kneel down, ya so me cocky fi get some.
Vybz Kartel, stop! Please, just stop. Yo, you not see what I going out here? You see what I going out here? You see what me see I going out here? Everybody I try redo Gyal Good song by Alkaline. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another episode of Vybz and Inside with Nando. You know it's a boss Nando in the building with another episode and another vlog for you, the viewers and the subscribers. So right now we see it clear as they say Alkaline set the pace of dancehall for 2026 so far. Everybody a try redo Gyal Good song, or everybody a try get acquainted with the ladies them. Everybody want have the ladies them in them back pocket. Everybody want captivate the ladies them after them see where Gyal Good by Alkaline at the three place. Yo, that brother they over there, so. You over there, so. That brother they over there, so. Him can't find himself him can't find himself in one floor. Yo, you crocodile boss, you can't find yourself your own floor. Me your man gone Ilangoli ride out Ilangoli. Where the bumbo clock this? He can't find him own floor. Somebody tell himself to go find him own floor, no man. People, viewers and subscribers, me see some man out here so where them say them a dancehall king and them a dancehall goat and dancehall world boss and this and that. Out here so make a more mockery of themselves. At this much pressure Alkaline of them under, that's them can't find song. Viewers and subscribers, tell me in the comment section. At this much pressure Alkaline of the dancehall artists them under, make them can't find song. After Gyal Good, me not see no other song out there where I mash up the place right now. Gyal Good is the only song where we see I mash up the place. And we can all be truthful and honest about this whole thing. Say Gyal Good is the song we have the place away. No music video at all. Just raw talent and raw impact on the masses, viewers and subscribers. Alkaline song, Gyal Good, the baddest song for the year so far. And right now, Masterpiece a pick up its pace in the space of dancehall. Oh, you know it go already, man. It take a while for every song grab the people, man. And some music going a dancehall. You see one song take on and then two another song start creep up. And right now, Gyal Good is the biggest song in that space right now, the most impactful song in a dancehall. And also, we see some Masterpiece a kick up its pace, the fans them, especially the ladies them, I take on tea. But as I said, early on, me always talk about this in my vlog. I say Alkaline is going to be the artist we are going to set the pace in a dancehall moving forward in a 2026. Even though, to me, it seems like him still now put him still now put him foot in them neck like that. Really, him have him foot in them neck, but it's like he now force down the foot. I now sense, viewers and subscribers. And right now, I see the artists them. Well, we can say two top artists in a dancehall. We really are trying to catch up to the pace with Alkaline depend right now. Yo, me telling you, dog. Why don't you make Alkaline drop him album before? Why you never drop him album? Right now, I must about 3 months straight Alkaline of the place. Pan lockdown now, or 4 months straight now. How much months gone in a year now? 4 months so far. And from Alkaline drop him NPT album. He's the one, he's the most talked about artist. He's the one who has the arena show them, the solo arena show them for himself for this year. We don't see Kartel do no show from the year start. 4 months gone and all now no show no start yet. Masicka do some local corner league show round the corner. Some local, we call it Croc Fest. Crockfest and Cocky Turtle and them type of places there. And them type of concert the Masicka do. We see CJ Milan put him on the bill for Reggae Fest Atlanta, and we see say him get take off of the flyer viewers and subscribers. So I don't know how I go on this. But I see the dog preview a song called Ilangoli Rider. Where the bumbo click this dog. When man not leave the old time people in music alone. Me understand someone who wants stick rooted or stay rooted and you know get that little style there and the energy there from that. Me tell you know dog. Man can't find a blood clot flow and a style, you know. The song them now connect or them for really a connect. So him have to run going at the blood cleat old school style them. Me know me hear Busy Signal sing a song called Ilangoli Rido already, you know. All of a sudden Masicka forward with Ilangoli Rido. And with the blood cleat this. Same thing with Tommy Lee forward out and say, you know, Masicka are running a people flow and a thief people flow. What is wrong with Masicka? Viewers and subscribers, tell me. What wrong with Masicka? Why him can't find him own style? Here busy your viewers and subscribers. And tell me out on the mouth, viewers and subscribers in the comment section. What do you think about this? Busy have a song called Ilangoli Rider, you know? So Masicka come with Ilangoli Rider. How would the blood click this dog? Yeah. Listen to this, viewers and subscribers. And tell me, say, this a brother here, when name Crocodile Boss, Masicka. Him lazy, you know? Him like just teeth people style. Just running a people style and make it seem like a film style. Pre this. Masicka, you become a pirate now like Kartel, you know? You are becoming a pirate now like Kartel. What the fuck, dog? Yo, what go on, people? Masicka, I saw it hard for you find a good girl song. I saw it really hard for you find a good... And then the next thing, this a brother you can't do without drop a video, dog. If him not drop a video, him not feel good. Him can't do a audio. Him can't drop an audio, viewers and subscribers. And it's sickening for no say. The youth have to survive off a music video because if him drop an audio, nobody now listen to it. And Alkaline use him raw talent and drop a blood cleat song called Gyal Good and some other song Masterpiece and Different Story and Graduate. And it a mash up the place. And Masicka, a music video alone him have to use to survive. And we are talking about the Vybz Kartel. Good. I don't know where the blood cleat that and all. The whole like Gaza fans them a cuss him out, you know. I say Kartel, oh this dog, better you done the music. Put on music dog, cause what kind of song this year sing dog? Viewers and subscribers, me I gonna play that song there, you know, but we wanna play a little piece of the Masicka. But they even really want to highlight the songs them, but me I show you say yo dog. Them man now sit down and write music. All them just a do. I go back in a history, go copy the old time artist them style. And things say, yeah, it all work. Yeah, me understand the sample and the giving credit to the maker of the songs them and Ray and Tay. But dog, find music dog, write good music and stop jump in a people style and thief it. Just the other day, you talk about Bossy with Bossy and Tommy Lee run out and say you thief him style, and most definitely the song sound like Tommy Lee's song. And people are going to say 8 and Ray, but dog, man, for going in a studio, go write music, dog, and stop thief other people's style or run going a people's style. You been to do them things to Alkaline, dog. And it's like, brother, you're redundant, bro, or what? Why you not going in the studio go write music, dog? Charge of God. Jesus Christ, and the man preview video, you know? Preview video, must see half a video preview already. So by the time the song drop, the song flat out to blood clean. Cause them not save no type of anticipation for the masses them. Dog, charge of God, this is just crazy. A crazy works. Crazy works.
She side up. I make her push it inside up. Hey, what a girl can ride up. Hey, what a girl can ride. I said she slip, I said she slide up.
Man can't find blood cleat style, dog. Man can't find style. And this will not show me, dog. And this the music come to. Me think say the artist them. Well, my overs say artists will I normally go back in time and bring back some old style for try to captivate back the masses them because maybe for them song now connect. Or them want to say them creative so them are go forward with the old school style and Ray. But dog, you know dog. If you not go forward with them type of style in music, right? It need to be much more creative than that, dog. Masicka sounds the same on him songs them at all times. Dog, we over the cadence, but dog, forward with a different flow now. Why your brother in a clash with Masicka and Tamale, your Thief Kartel flow, your Thief Kartel lyrics, and then you forward again now with this dog. Run down back in a time, yo, Chano dog. Yeah, you join the club of Kartel of pirating, bro. Masicka join the club of pirating. Then your man can't move the genre forward. If them can't create nothing new and bring forth in our culture and not making it so obvious. For bro, Chano dog, a sound I go dog. Just to make a hit song, Ilangoli ride oh. Dog, that blood clique, dog, do not need on a party, no, dog. That, nah, do not need on a party, you know. Let me tell you that, you know, at this I do things in a party. When man can transition TOK song and play Alkaline song. From them a par in a chichi man bar. That me a talk about, dog. Wicked transition. Gyal good, the hottest song on road right now. Nobody can tell me crap. The hottest song, them have to try keep up with it. Remember, couple days ago or a week ago, me did play the Idonia part in one of my vlog. Them say, Idonia, when Gyal good, sound similar to Alkaline style. And me a show the dog. Alkaline has set the playground. Alkaline has set the blueprint. Alkaline has set the mark and the man them a follow. Me did tell you earlier say, from Alkaline drop the Gyal good song, it will set the pace for the Gyal segment. And that a go on. The man them a try find a Gyal good song. That the man them a try find a better song for Gyal good. But here what? No find the better song for Gyal good, dog. Gyal good still up on a trail right now. Cause viewers and subscribers, I want to tell you say no. Gyal good right now have over 232,000 play on TikTok, you know. Fly past Vybz, Kartel and Shensi a panic, you know. We have 228,000, you know. 228,000 posts, right? And Gyal good has 232. And remember, panic drop long before Gyal good. And look how Gyal good fly past it with posts. That is how impactful the song is. In the space of dancehall, both local and international, global viewers and subscribers. So, that have shown in a dog. Alkaline is gifted, bro. Alkaline has gifted hands. Alkaline write music. Him compose music. And that is why his music can connect to the people. Him know when to do, and him know when for clutch and easy back. But me a show you say, dog, Alkaline has gifted hands. But me I go play some people I talk about Kartel song and then me play a piece of the song for you. Because me don't know how that in a dog. Me don't know how that the man say my singing of viewers and subscribers. Some good foolishness out in a mouth and something. Nothing wrong with that. But dog, if you make music so dog, make it appealing the dog and stop rush and force your mediocre garbage for the masses them. Now I start realize the Kartel. Now I start really realize the Kartel starting to sound the same on every friggin' song. And none of them no sound good, dog. The only good song we Kartel have for years so far are Panic. And because of Shensia help that the brother there. But dog, muckler dog. What the fuck y'all sing, say, man?
And I realize still Kartel if you come down off a TikTok, you know. TikTok cannot feel in a Kartel. And if you come down, you're my boss. You must stay in your lane and work on your craft. Now because you job song and nobody now look on them. You feel like if you run go over TikTok to save your career. TikTok now go keep it relevant. You get me? I say TikTok of Jaden them and Big Buck them. You know what I say? Yeah man, you can't work over this. So. That's why I notice if I'm one day and I'll be able to fishy movie I'm making. Be a fishy I heal up and I'll be a fishy I parade. Yeah man, I want next thing to start follow up Alkaline, yeah? Yeah man, Alkaline, algorithm, stop try ride it. Now go work. Your time up. And the universe favor Alkaline. No matter what you do, you can't stop the dog. So, one day TikTok my boss. TikTok Kartel with a big blood clot giant head, big like blood.
Yo, and now Alkaline, I get a mass amount of respect in his space. I'm guessing for sure the universe will work in Alkaline's favor. Cause right now Alkaline I get a ton load of respect right across the board. Even though some people still are yet same way, but nevertheless, Alkaline I get a ton load of respect right now in a dancehall viewers and subscribers. I'm like to see it. And being that the youth are show them up, being that the youth are do them do right in front of our eyes. Cause remember saying no. And like one time where you know have phone or electrical device or technology where you can see all where an artist out there doing in the world. So right now Alkaline are do them do out there in the world and we are see it. Everything are televised right now in our eyes. So we can say yeah. The youth here do it at a young age, at 32-year-old. I dominate the space. Arena after arena, big album, song and mash up the place. What more can you ask for? And at this is where them can't understand. This is where them can't phantom. Them don't like to see it. So the youth jump out in a 2026. Every month, it's something new pertaining to Alkaline. Every month is something big. We're highlighting the media where the youth are dominate. Right now, the youth nominated for the IRAMA Best Dancehall Artist, Best Dancehall / Rapper. We don't know where them get the rapper thing then. I don't know what kind of award thing that, but Alkaline is being nominated for the Best Dancehall Artist in the IRAMA Award. But we also know, say, you know, Joe Bagnovich is a part of that award thing, you know. And Kartel, they in all categories where them have another award. So we know, say, it's all bought out already. It's all paid off already, viewers and subscribers. So, we're not even paid at the mind. But as me I said, right now, Alkaline is getting the respect where him really deserve. Because do him did forward in a dancehall and a drop hits after hits. Remember, him still did I get fight. Him never did I get the respect them when I get. But now that the youth resume, the man resume from top to black, from top to, I not even want to say that. But the man resume tall. The man resume tall. All marks, dog. The man resume tall from yes, sir. All the way away. So him I get whole heap of respect now in his space of dancehall. Enough people don't even like it same way, but we don't even really care much about what people want like right now. But, dog, bro, the artists them in a dancehall, especially the artists them in a spotlight like a Kartel and Masicka. We see Popcorn look like him a try get back himself in a space, you know, in a little circle. He might try get himself in a space, man, I'm going to tell no lie. And him drop one little alright song, one song will sound good. I don't know if it will be a hit song, but we know Popcorn. Popcorn is a monotonous artist. He might sound the same on every track. It's just an artist where solid with the hooks them. He might have the hooks them locked. So he might use that to him advantage. But, dog, the artists them like Masicka and Pop and Kartel, dog. Dog, why not gonna put in some work, dog, and stop copy Alkaline Bumbucklead formula with the Gyal good type of song, dog. Kartel run out with blood. People who can definitely see the man them run down to the drawing board because Alkaline take it place with Gyal good. Don't act like them not see it. Them see it. Them hear the album and mash up the place. Remember, at Jamaica, especially Masicka there. And Kartel go to Jamaica also. And hear how Alkaline album and songs them. And mash up the ground. Gyal good. Now if you ask, dog. I #1 song that in the Caribbean. The #1 song in the Caribbean. So, them know of it. So the man them go to the giant board for recreate Gyal good, dog. How with the blood cleat this man? The man them gonna try for recreate Gyal good. You know I make it obvious now, dog. So now follow up Alkaline, bro. Stop follow up Alkaline. You can't be creative in your own way and create something different. Me nah say you can't create a Gyal song, no, but you know make it obvious, dog. This is how you run out. And I show on yourself, say, dog, you know, struggle for find a Gyal song. You know, I struggle for find a Gyal song, dog. And, yeah, brother, it's crazy for you. But people, listen to the Kartel song, dog. I don't know what it's now. What the fuck that, man? What that? Hood in your throat and hood in your gut? Brother, what kind of song them? Brother, the man not even sing no appealing song, dog. Not one appealing song the man a singing, dog. Me I say, dog, man a take music for joke, dog. I saw them money I really decide to bring dancehall down the drain. Alkaline as an artist, we put pen to paper, go in a studio and write music. We can stand the test of time. Write timeless music. We're appealing to the ears. And them money I sing some blood cleat, fast food, overnight, taste bad song, dog. Kartel, what that, my youth? What that? Gaza fans? Me soon I call him out feet, but still, we need to call him out even more, bro. All of them unnecessary garbage. Remember, say, and music keeps the thing flowing, you know. So, if you don't want to dance all nice this year, sing some good songs, dog. Alkaline alone. Yeah, Alkaline alone might can do it, but dancehall is a collective movement. So Alkaline alone now go do it. You need fair play on the part, dog. Come on, bro. Stop with the fast food music and sing some music where we can listen now and a year or two we listen back them. Why you not sing this, brother? Remember say, Russian storybook rhythm. Them song they not play again in the dog. Them song they not get no play right now. When last you hear them blood clean song they play in a party? Kartel song. You're a bitch, you're a whore, you're this, you're that. When the last you hear them garbage they play? Who do you hear Rich Sex a play now? Me scroll all over media, all know me not see no Rich Sex a play in that. Yo dog, them money a joke kind of dog. Real talk, bro. Them money just come like a joke, dog. Big joke. But viewers and subscribers, me have an update for you about Alkaline's NPT album. NPT right now has over 3.76 million streams on Spotify. Viewers and subscribers. 3.76 million streams on Spotify. I don't want to know how much streams it get a daily. How much streams it get daily. It get 81,000 streams. Viewers and subscribers a day over Spotify. Ain't that something awesome? The album just dropped couple weeks ago, about 3 weeks, 4 weeks now. And it's still a crack 81,000 views. 81,000 views daily on the album, so imagine it a drop 81,000 views a day. Damn, it'll crack 5 million views soon. Or 5 million streams, I should say. So, the EP, the album Imbo EP, the album are going great. So anybody who say the album now going with nothing, it a lie them a tell. A lie them a tell. I sang I album right now where I get the most streams. Alkaline's album in a long while where I get the most streams. 81,000 in a day. 81,000 a day streams. But viewers and subscribers, dog. Who not think so the man them need to stop piggyback off of Alkaline wave now? Tell me truth. Who not think so the man them, dog? It obvious now, dog. Who not think so them man need to stop piggyback off of Alkaline's wave? Create your own wave, dog. And stop be a wave rider. Which is why Alkaline telling you, dog. Wave rider, them a look at jockey and a piggyback. Stop piggyback off of Alkaline's hype, dog. Uno make it too obvious, bro. Say Alkaline are the key, man. I wanna give more strength, you know. I wanna give Alkaline more strength because uno make it obvious, say the man of the man, dog. The man of the man, brother. Man, I mash up the place with the album. The Gyal good and the masterpiece we are taking on right now, dog. Uno need more song for catch up. More song for catch up. Viewers and subscribers, them man a dog. Them man a waste man in the dog. Real fucking waste man. Man gonna ill and gully ride out to blood cleat. I joke this. But people, me have another clippings more I play for somebody I talk about the Kartel song and just that play. Read this.
One of the best lyricists would come out of Jamaica as a dancehall artist. Like, people used to complain and say them have to take up dictionary and all of them, something if they find out what Vybz Kartel really are talk about, the similes, the analogies, all of these things, but it's just like, no, it's
fast
just
food.
Yeah, and the song them have no shelf life. Like, after 1 week, them dead out. Like, who wanna hear that?
And then the problem we have now is like anybody will talk to you and say, yo, kind of offer good criticism, right? Suck your mother instantly. You get the man say, what's the popcorn? Run out and say, yo, Kartel, feel like a healthy flower for right now, smoking on the rain.
Yeah, Invex. Like, come on, man.
I'm see core fans in the comment and say, yo, bro, we don't really like what going on. You feel like this are disrespect to them. Fuck your mother, blah, 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 blah.
Yeah, see them liar,
nigga.
Oh, yeah, talk for see them and blah, blah, blah. But you have to understand,
you can't disappoint from me, so dog. And in God, say you can't force me for like. If you don't like, we just don't like it, dog.
And the thing is, you know, him feel like the haters, them I say it, you know. I know the haters, them I say them things, they know, are people will actually rate you as an artist and love the type of music you used to produce. Right? And we did a hope for say this continue after you come out and the fact say you take up a woman and say, yo, this is my woman and this is one burner now and all of that and the type of antics you're going with online, it just cringing for watch. And believe me, the people that will love and rate you point it out. And instead of, or maybe just not acknowledging it would be better, but then suck your mother, you see them liar, yeah, this and that, like it don't look good.
To me, the only way to solve this, put them on the yacht. Like, see them over this up one
while the girl them are
while the girl them are wind up on you. And then it just solve. And then we automatically know say, yo,
yeah, see them
co-sign it. And then everybody move on. It's as simple as that.
Yeah.
But if every time when tie you babe, when they around see them, oh my God, are the perfect husband. You did it, husband to be. Yeah. And then now when I see them now them on, even a girl them for them. I like this.
Right now, viewers and subscribers, I be a semantics and a pure semantics and theatrics Vybz Kartel out here, though. Pure semantics and theatrics. Nothing else. From TikTok to Instagram. Be a cover, I'm a cover video right now. Kartel career fall off, dog. I lost try him career I'm depend right now. You see from Kartel reaching him old age. No youngster no want to listen to Kartel music like that. And him now sing nothing no appealing for the masses them ear. The people them now want to hear baller. The man run down to Shensia for help and Shensia give him the help with the two songs them. And right now he must struggle to keep up. Man I put out songs after songs and him own fans them not like it. Him own fans them are this him and I tell him say, yo, Kartel, a Gaza myself fully in about dog and that song you fuck it. That song you make it. Him own fans them I tell him say we must sing a madness. So what that say? Kartel a run on the last straw right now, fall off. Fall him literally fall off. He can't help it more than for just run up on TikTok and Instagram and do this bagger video. Brother, you make yourself get common like a common fall. People tired of you now, them don't even want to see you. No wonder why you haven't done a show for the year so far. 4 months. The first quarter gone for the year already. And I know you don't do a show. No, you say I world boss. I wear the blood cleat you say to me. Dog, what you say to me, dog? But people, Kartel and Masicka, they're struggling to find a good Gyal song on them own. Yeah. Kartel did get one with Shensi, a cool, that one there go on good, Panic. But right now, Panic not even have nothing over Gyal good, cause Panic water down is just a little song where people are playing rare here and there. But right now, a Gyal good. Me not gonna be biased and telling no lie. A Gyal good right now. Gyal good and mash up the place right now, dog. Anyway you play Gyal good, you see how the crowd goes wild and crazy. You play it a water party, it go wild and crazy. We see it go on over Guyana. Dog, number one song in the Caribbean. The number one song. The charts not lie. So why move forward here and lie too no? The charts not lying. Gyal Good is the number one song in about 15 countries right now, viewers and subscribers. So what that say? Man lie, woman lie, but numbers don't lie. The charts don't lie. And right now, Alkaline, Gyal Good, it not nothing right now can't test it. Nothing right now can't test Gyal Good. I'm see artists them a try recreate it. Like them want ride the way. Yo, I ride the wave off a Gyal Good, you know. So other songs can get play or rotation in our space. Whenever Gyal Good play, them want other selector or them want selector overall for play for them songs also in the mix. They want to be in the mix. And everybody have a Gyal song right now. I first ever see this, you know. Everybody have a Gyal song right now after Alkaline. And what do you hear? I never them where I have. I never back a Gyal song where I have. So all of a sudden Alkaline drop him album with him barrage a Gyal song them. What? Where song name? Masterpiece, Aura, Gyal Good, and where another song name? Ropeen. All of them Gyal songs that we are mash up the place right now. Man, them have to piggyback off of the energy, dog. You know make it too obvious, bro. Y'all making it too obvious, say dog. You know ride the wave, bro. You know want to ride the Alka wave. But remember, you don't want anybody get to live the life where we live, get the Gyal the money we see. And anybody can do what we do in a short space of time, make it look so easy. Hear me, I say fuckery. Look so easy. Watch this, people. Masicka they in a game from way back when. From when. And that the brother they still now have a solid catalog. We can compare to Alkaline catalog. That brother they still now have a catalog we can put him into an arena by himself. Why CJ Milan have to take him off of the bill? Eh? Our CJ Milan I got book him for him own concert. I want to know to you know cause I remember a song from 2016 for Masicka or 2015. I remember one big solid song with Masicka of them time there. So I don't think him catalog I meet the standards for the masses them over the America side there. So our CJ you have another arena for Masicka. Make you know but we don't see him on the bill again him get take off. Dog, you're not in an alky league, dog. You're not in an Alka League, dog. You're not in an Alka League. And I see what y'all try, though. You want to try piggyback off of Alkaline's wave. And that, as usual, we see what you do with Boasty. When Alkaline album drop, you run out and drop music video for Boasty. So yeah, ride the wave for people compare your song to Alkaline's music. And so said, so done, your fans them run out and talk about this or that and ray. Because they want to be in the mix with Alkaline's wave. They want to ride Alkaline's momentum. So, yeah, dog, we know the style as well, Alkaline, so we know the game we want to play, dog. But Alkaline had enough with y'all trying to ride him wave, and the man are calling out again. As well the man say, show them up who said them is what them isn't. The man are calling out, yo, don't forget, dog. No feel like such you want to see Alkaline have him album drop and it and mash up the place. You don't remember what Alkaline do with Blood Cleat, New Level Unlock? When New Level Unlock drop, Alkaline drop multiple new songs, same way in a space in a rotation. So, don't bother feel like see the album alone and have where the songs where everybody are listen and know and love. Alkaline are going to go a surprise, man. A real surprise. So look out for more new songs that go forward in the space because as Alkaline said, lone footed and them they coming as dog. So go on think so you can ride the wave. Because I wave you not ride in that. You can't survive without a blood clip music video, you know. A audio, you can't drop audio and it getting 1 million views in a week or two. You can't do it. So, you know, I struggle right now, dog. Alkaline have a dancehall space for 2026. In our chokehold, and ones if you try. Every little thing. Going at the magic bag. Going at the trickster bag. And pull up hill and gully ride old school style. Cause what? They can't find song, dog. They don't have creativity for find song. Always if you run going on another man's style. Make it make sense. Always if you run going on another man's style. And it still not make sense, dog. Or if it make sense. It come like ombre, nav. I feel for woman to blood clean. What? Ombre have the vibes for just man alone and sing man songs and talk songs and bossy and way. In have a real touch to woman. Why him can't sing a proper girl song we can't hit? Up to the day your Umbre still not have a big girl song than spoil you our pretty girl team. I mean I have to call my side of the story and move mountains and you know things take time and fleek and all of them blood cleat big songs there and mad love and whole heap of blood cleat song, whole heap of girl song where Umbre no reach level yet and Umbre has struggled to find a more appealing, lovable, vibesy girl song. This daddy boring girl songs them we must sing. Now make no sense, dog. Them they can't do nothing in a dancehall, brother. You know that. But people, I never want to go no further another vlog, you know. I just forward out to say what I have to say. I make you hear what I talk about. Make you know what really are going out here in a space because man them a wave rider, dog. Wave effing rider, dog. And as usual, them all continuously ride the wave of a Alkaline. Cause what? Alkaline a key man, dog. I'm telling you say when they are bed and hear some loud explosion and we make the commotion. Man them want ride the wave, dog. Wave the man them a ride, dog. And remember, Gyal good music video no drop yet. So when you get another trick for run with another cause you see when Gyal good music video drop, I don't understand how some man do it, dog. Some man just drop music video alone. They don't want the fans and get for love the song. That's why them song no last long, you know. That's why them song no last long. Cause them drop music video alone for hear people and say, oh, me love the music video nice, the music video clean. Them don't want the people that love them song. Bro, Alkaline is so smart and as an artist. Alkaline drop his audios and when them get them traction and a build up and get bigger and bigger, the man just drop the music video. Bam! The music video helps enhance the song itself. Get another amount of streams and views also because it's the same coding. But the masses get for love the song for the song and not just a video. And then the dog just drop a video and it helps enhance the song. Because Gyal good big already without a video. But some man just out here a drop video if you get views cause what? They can manipulate the views once a video them have. Yeah, that them all do. That's all they do. But them song now going with nothing in nice space. Wanna see impact, where the impact there. You can manipulate streams, but you can't manipulate impact and influence. That is what we always talk about. Remember, Kendrick telling you already, dog, with him and Drake. You can manipulate streams and numbers, but you can't manipulate influence, dog. And though Drake is big also, I'm not going to take that from him, but we are talking about Alkaline and Masicka, dog. And the rest of the artists, them were out here and manipulate streams, but the impact of their songs not even is showing a little bit. Nah, show a little bit. So, dancehall get fucked with all of them manipulations here where I go on nice face, dog. Because them song get hot for a 1 week or a 2 week and nobody no remember them. Man's out here struggling just for ride. Can you imagine? People out here are struggling just for ride Alkaline wave, dog. I saw the wave high. A tsunami. Make man out here can't a struggle for ride the wave. No, dog. This shit must be diabolic. Why them can't ride the wave? Them have to struggle. Dog, people. Yo, I'm never gonna further another vlog. I don't know what's going on. I Vybz on Inside with Nando with another episode, and I will be catching you guys on another one. A mad thing. I'm out. Peace.